Hello and welcome students to my channel. In today's lecture, we are going to see array concept from C++ and array why we are going to use and how to use the size of array, how to use indexing concept that we are able to see today. So let us start with Turbo C++. So Turbo C++ is one of the platform that we are using to write C++ code. And now I'm going to write simple program of array. Now, what is the benefit of array over variable? So if I see variable, one variable is nothing but one memory, and it can store only one value at a time. So if I want to accept three numbers, I need to declare three variables. But if I want to assign three multiple values in single array, that is possible. So array has got two concepts. Array has got first thing as a capacity. So if I say my array is having a capacity of 5, that means 5 elements can be stored in a single array. So at a time, 5 elements can be easily settled, or rather, I can say they can be stored in the memory. But what happens? There is a positioning in array, how indexes are getting used. So what is index basically? In array, index will start from 0, and suppose your size of array is 5, then index will start from 0 and end with 4. So like that, we need to understand whatever size value is there, the index will reach to that. Suppose size value is n, so index will be n minus 1. So size is 10, index will be up to 9. If size is 4, index will be up to 3. So let us understand a simple program how to execute and implement array. So first of all, I will declare header files. So we have header files as hash include. As C++ header file, we have iostream.h. Then we have hash include conio.h. Then I will declare void main. From here, our program starts from this main function. So functions curly bracket. Then we are going to declare array. So I am taking integer as a data type, and the name of array is arr. So any name you can take. So right now I'm taking array of capacity 3, and I'm going to directly assign three values over here. Okay, so this is something you need to understand. This is a data type, this is a name of array, and this is size. So if I want to declare or store three elements or three numbers, I can do like this. So three numbers I have declared inside this array whose capacity is 3, and then you need to give the semicolon. So whenever you are declaring the values, the curly bracket is used, and when you complete your assigning of the values, now see here, the equal to is assignment operator. So all these three values are assigned to arr3. Now, if I want to print or access this value, as I rightly said, that there is an index concept. So first value is at zero index, second value is at first index, and third value is at second index. So what happens here? If you see the size is 3, the index will start from 0 and end with 2. So the concept of n minus 1, I told you that if the size is 3, the index will reach up to 2 because we are starting with 0. So if I want to print first index, or I want to access the first value 11 at index 0, so I can write like this, arr of 0. Then we have another cout because all three array values we need to access. So arr of second index as 1, and then cout arr of 2. So all the indexes are getting covered. Then we need to complete get ch, and then we need to complete void main. Now I will give clr scr as a clear screen function because we don't want any output repeated in a garbage memory. So we want a dedicated output to be seen. So if you see this program has got array of capacity 3, three elements I have directly assigned, And if I want to access all those three elements, I need to go by index. So the starting index is 0, second index is 1, and third index is 2. So if I want to run this program, let us execute and see whether all the elements we are able to see. So this is 11, 22, 33. All these three index numbers or the elements on that particular index can be easily accessed. So this is one simple program where we are taking size of array, declaring a particular size of array, and then this values are getting assigned as per the size, and then we are accessing each and every value from the index perspective. So in array, yes, you can store multiple values. You can actually identify the values on the basis of index number, and the capacity of array is more important. So I hope you have understood this code. So try to practice it and try to perform simple array with assigning values, whatever size you want to take, like 10, 20, whatever size you want to take, you can declare here, and 20 values you can directly assign. So you can print or access any random value by using index. Suppose you want to directly access index number 3, you can access it. That is possible. It is not that you need to always start with 0. Any random value can be accessed with a particular index number. So that is possible basically for you to get into array sort of concept. So array basic program, I told you there are varieties of programs in array also, to print all the values at one time. Then you need to take input from user, and then you need to print the data. So like that, there are different styles of programming, and those programmings can be done easily. So this is one thing I want to tell you at beginning. If you want to do any simple program of array, this is one of the best program that you can go for. So I hope you have understood the concept of array. So thank you very much. Take care.